Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be installing a screen protector for the Model Y for the main screen, and here's what I bought for it. This is from Amazon. It's a company called Carwiner, and it wasn't too expensive. I think it was like $20 or something. Wasn't too sure, but here it is, and I'm going to try to install that on the screen protector. So I just opened this and I'm gonna see how it is, because right now there is a screen protector from the factory. It's actually not a protector, it's just to protect the screen while it's I guess because it's new. So as you can see here, they have Y and A and some kind of QR code. So it's not really a protector in a way. So this is what I'm doing. I mean, you're not going to really smash your screen, I hope. You're not going to drop it, but I guess it just makes it more less, I guess, scratch resistant or something like that. You know, you don't need to be worried about fingernails, because really if you have fingernails, you're going to scratch the screen protector and not the regular screen. So it comes here with a wipe. Looks like it's alcohol wipe, and I guess this is a squeegee thing just to, I guess, get the bubbles out. And this is the protector here. Okay, it gives you a direction on the top. It says this is the top, so I'm sure it's just gonna go straight onto here. And you do have some kind of frame, I guess it's an outline just to put it on. And never did this before, so it looks like you have to clean the screen first, get all the dust out, and you have to put the screen protector lining up with the outline they gave you, and then you just place it on the screen, and that's about it. So I'm just gonna give it a shot. And so you're just gonna have to take this out in a way and line it up. Alright. So I'm going to take this out first. And it does look like I don't see any dust, so I might even use the actual wipes. So again, it says to clean the screen and take the protective plastic out, and then I guess to align it. Yep, I might even need this. I'm just gonna try align it myself. So I'm just trying to align it right now on the screen. It looks like it matches perfectly, I guess. And then I'm gonna use this thing they gave us. Just get the air out. Let me get all the air bubbles out. I'm just going up and down, left and right, just to be sure that all the bubbles out. But my first impression is actually this screen is not that clear, it looks like. It has some kind of it's not blurry, but it's not a crystal clear screen protector. It's I don't know if it's like anti-glare, I think, but yeah, I don't think you really, this is probably useless to put this on, because it was gonna slide off anyway, because if you put it on like this, you really can't put the screen protector on, because from the instructions it actually says to put the screen protector on the actual outline first before you place it on the car, and then you slowly put it on the screen. So I think it's just better just to align it properly. So I think that's it, and I'm gonna see how this works later on. If I'm not happy with this screen protector, I'm probably just gonna see if I can order a crystal clear one. But for now, it's gonna work, I guess. Yeah, I just see a little bit of the bubbles. That's why I'm trying to go over it now. So yeah, this was much clearer, even the one from the factory, that just protects the screen a little bit. But all right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.